all kinds of praise our Almighty Allah who has created us, who has given us tawfiq to sit in this splendid program, who has given us tawfiq to say something in front of this audience. Bless our Prophet Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Usman and Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhum. Blessing and salutation to his family, especially to his dearest daughter, Hazrat Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anha. First of all, I would like to welcome guest, chief guest, special guest, honorable teacher and honorable guardian. Surah Baqarah, verse number 31. Almighty Allah teaches Hazrat Adam alayhi salam all language and all names. So among all language, if we look at the hadith, we see in a hadith from Mishkatul Masabi, because disbeliever person, they could evoking comment and negative discuss about